Okay, so in this video we're going to have a look at a rational inequality. So first step with any question, we're going to translate it. We have an inequality. We see it's rational here because it's in fraction form. There's the inequality in 3. X an element of R for our solution set. And they give us a condition here, which we'll come back to towards the end of our solution. So first step for any rational inequality, we're going to multiply by the denominator squared. We have to multiply both sides. So our denominator here cancels the square. And we get x plus 2 times 2x minus 3 would be greater than or equal to 3 times. And you can write your bracket out twice here. Okay. So we're just going to multiply it now and tidy up 2x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 6 greater than or equal to 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. We have 2x squared plus x minus 6 greater than or equal to 3x squared. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 4s are 12x. 3 4s again are 12. So I'm going to bring everything to the one side. I'll bring it all to the right, keep my x squared positive. So I have 3x squared minus 2x squared plus 12x minus x plus 12 plus 6. So I get 0 is greater than or equal to x squared plus 11x plus 18. I'm just going to rewrite it so I can read from left to right instead of right to left. Preserve our inequality. So we get x squared plus 11x plus 18 is less than or equal to 0. I have my quadratic. Now I'm going to use the guide method to find my two factors. So I just set a equal to 0, off we go, first by last. And I have factors of 18 that I can combine to end up with 11, the number in the middle. So we have 1 by 18, 2 by 9, and 3 by 6. I can discard the first and last. And we get plus 9 plus 2 will give me plus 11. So x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 18 equals 0, factorized by grouping. X is common, x plus 2 plus 9 times x plus 2 equals 0, and we get x plus 9, x plus 2 equals 0. I can set each bracket equal to 0, x plus 9 equals 0. And now solve for x, so we get x equals minus 9 or x equals minus 2. Now we come back to our condition. So here, and we just need to check what our inequality should be. So a really rough sketch of our quadratic. We know across is at minus 9 and minus 2. And from here, they've told us they want the points where it's less than or equal to 0. So below or at the x-axis. You just double check our inequality. So we have minus 9, x and minus 2. So x can be greater than or equal to minus 9. And it has to be less than minus 2. And there's our solution. And then just to verify our answer, it's just a case of subbing back in. We'll check for x equals minus 9, say. So we get 2 times minus 9 minus 3 all over minus 9 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 3. Multiply out and tidy up. Minus 21 over minus 7 will be greater than or equal to 3. The signs will cancel. 21 over 7 gives me 3. And we have 3 is greater than or equal to 3. We're good there. And our second one was x has to be less than minus 2, so we'll let x equal minus 3. Same process again. minus 9 over minus 1. Signs will cancel. 9 over 1 is just 9. And we're good there. It's always a good step to verify your answer where possible, just to make sure you're right. And that's us done.